Do you know this about Google Translate? Three days from the morning I write this post, my wife and I will begin a trip to France. The 10-day excursion celebrates our 30th wedding anniversary. But there's something on my mind. I don't speak French, not even a few phrases. Yet I imagine most of the people I will encounter will be used to American tourists and speak English fluently. But wouldn't it be nice to have a plan B? Google Translate has been around since 2006, but it's made remarkable strides. What excites me about this little friend is its ability to be a personal interpreter. Here's how it works. While connected to Wi-Fi, I say, "Okay, Google, be my French interpreter." The phone opens the Google Translate app to the conversation mode. I speak my message in English. Google speaks the French translation. It also displays what my message was in both languages. Next, I tap the Francois button and allow my newly found French friend to speak a reply in his native language. Google Translate speaks the English translation and displays the message in both languages. In other words, it functions just like a human interpreter. Lucy and Ricky sure could have used conversation mode in a famous scene from I Love Lucy. In the blog post, you can watch a video of that scene. And that's not all. If you have a Google Home device, it's even easier. After the initial, "Okay, Google, be my name of language interpreter," you and the other person carry on your conversation. No button to push. Watch it in action in a video over at the blog post. I own a Google Home Mini. It cost a whole $29 on sale. What you see in the video works exactly the same on the inexpensive Google Home Mini in our living room. And one more thing. What about those signs posted in French? How will I know what they say? Just open the Google Translate camera mode. Select your language and the desired foreign language. Point the camera at a sign and watch the camera image change to English. In the blog post, you'll see an example. On the left, I have a sign in French that I found on the internet. I opened Google Translate on my phone to camera mode and pointed my phone at the computer screen. On the right, you see the result. It's a good thing I got that heads up. Otherwise, I would have been towed. When you visit the blog post, you'll see what I mean. So will Google Translate make learning foreign languages obsolete? Absolutely not. Those who speak foreign languages fluently report that the translations aren't always exact. Syntax can be inaccurate, for example. What Google Translate does give us is meaning. It allows communication to happen where a language barrier would have otherwise prohibited it. So here's my question for you. Can you think of a situation in your own work or play where a language barrier caused a problem? How could Google Translate have helped? Come over to the blog post and let me know in the comments. This has been Frank Buck. Thanks for listening. Now go and have the time of your life.